Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel. This is a video on how to get the daily 1tCORE from faucet. Okay, this is my MetaMask wallet dashboard. Okay, so if you want to get your daily 1tCORE to perform your daily transaction, what you do is you copy the URL. Okay, the faucet URL. I have it here. So I have it stored in my notes. Okay, this is it, the first one. So I'll copy it, then I'll go straight to my MetaMask. When I go to MetaMask, I'll click on these three horizontal lines at the top left hand corner. That is, excuse me, this one. Okay, this is it. So I'll click on it. When I click on it, I'll select browser. Okay, then give it some minutes to load. Okay, so I'll click on this browser section here, the search button there. I'll click on it. Then I'll paste on the search bar. I'll paste the URL that I just copied. Then click on the search button. Okay, or enter. Okay, this is it. Now, what I'll need to do next is I will go back and get my my MetaMask tCORE wallet address. Okay, I'll go back to wallet. I'll click on this. Okay, I want to copy the URL, the what is it called, the wallet address. So I'll click on it. Then I'll go back to browser. Then I'll paste the wallet address here. Then click I am not a robot. Allow it to load. Then you perform this little task. Select all images with palm trees. Okay, I'll do the selection now. And this. Then you click on verify. Okay, then the next thing I'll do here is I'll click on get tCORE. Okay, I'll click on get tCORE. Now, if this is your first time, when you click on get tCORE, you can as well, after that, you click on get SUSDT, so that both of them will you automatically get them into your wallet. All right, so first of all, I'm going to click on this get tCORE. I'll click on get tCORE. Okay, it says replacement transaction. What is it? Let's do it again. So I want to try it again now. I want to try it again. Select bridges. Okay, I think I have bridge here. Then verify. Okay, let me try it again. Get tCORE. Okay, they say funded successfully. Hope you can see it. Funded success in transaction. So what it means is now they've given me 1tCORE. Okay, which will be added up to my the one I have before. Okay, I have 4 points something tCORE. So I'll go back. Okay, I go back, I'll click on wallet. Then as you can see here, I have 5.5 tCORE. Before it was 4.5. Okay, so that is how to get your daily tCORE to perform your testnet transaction. Then after which you go to your MetaMask. You go to your Satoshi core mining app to claim your daily hash of 10K and 3K respectively. Okay, so if you have any question, please kindly drop it at the comment section. Then in my next video, I'm going to respond to all those questions. Thank you so much for watching.